Recently, Bitcoin has been steadily rising, and many investors are speculating on what the crypto market will look like in 2023. Bitcoin has increased even though the Fed claims that inflation is now down and market conditions are leveling out. At this moment, the price is rising, and it's currently trading at about $20,861. What does Plan B make of all this, though? In a series of tweets for 2024 and 2025, where he expects the next bullish market will occur, he made an optimistic prediction that Bitcoin would reach even higher heights in the coming months. Additionally, he solicits user opinions on price levels and the precision of his forecasts. According to Plan B, the actual bottom for Bitcoin was in 2022, when it fell to a low of $15,500. Plan B anticipates that Bitcoin will drastically change over the following 2 cycles, although not happening until next year. Recently, he tweeted, "My 2 cents on Bitcoin price were too low at $15,500 in November 2020 to be the bottom. Bitcoin will ascend into the 2024 halving and subsequent 2025 bull market after crossing the short-term holding. The STS signal is verified by a number of unchained signals. $24,000 or more will be in the market in 2024, and $100,000 or more will be in the market in 2025. Using on-chain statistics, Plan B demonstrates here his expectations that Bitcoin will reach at least $32,000 by the end of the year and will continue to increase to $100,000 at some point in 2025. Plan B takes into account the broad margins and volatility that comes with its price projections, notwithstanding his predictions for the end of 2022 and the unexpected FTX crash. After that, someone responded to Plan B's tweets by writing, "1 million is a bull market. 100K is like a warm blanket." Plan B replied, "In actuality, I anticipate the bull market range will be between 100,000 and 1 million, but many people don't understand the large margins or the volatility that causes them, so I pegged it at the indie comforting 100,000. Based on his stock-to-flow methodology, Plan B predicts that the price will increase to 6 figures during the upcoming bull market. Many investors believe that the reason Bitcoin's price is back above pre-FTX levels and on course to rise enormously in the months ahead is because of the fear and uncertainty that have been permeating the cryptocurrency market over the past few months. You know in your heart of hearts that these numbers are conservative. Lessons learned, but these numbers will be considerably higher," a user commented in response to Plan B's tweet. Plan B responded, "Probably correct," to which, shortly after, he published several intriguing polls that were focused on price levels. He asked the users if they believed that Bitcoin had reached its lowest low. Surprisingly, with over 49,000 votes, the results were evenly divided. He then asked users if they thought the price will go above $32,000 in 2024 and what price they predicted it would be. Unsurprisingly, more than 75% responded that it would, as the majority of Bitcoin investors now anticipate the price would rise above $32,000 in 2023 alone. Max Kaiser, Gareth Soloway, and Cathie Wood are a few of them. Then, Plan B asks if respondents think that Bitcoin would reach a price of $100,000, to which more than 79% of the 31,000 users responded in the affirmative. It's not unlikely to see Bitcoin hit 6 figures just a year after the event, because historically, prices do increase for Bitcoin after each event. Following the final halving in May 2020, a bull run ensued, which culminated in a record-breaking Bitcoin price of around $69,000 in November 2021. Plan B displays a tweet from 2019 in which he expressed satisfaction with how his forecasts had turned out. From the 200-week moving average in 2019, Bitcoin's price remained above $3,200. It remained approximately $8,000 in 2020 while the halving. Thanks to China, Luna, and FTX, whose timing no one could have expected, the bull run began in 2021 but fell short of the initial anticipated 100,000, though 69,000 came close. Many individuals chimed in to say yes when he asked if he should now provide a price projection for the period 2023 to 2025. Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal, who is quite optimistic about cryptocurrencies in 2023, is one of them. He stated, "Yes, I have always found your work to be contextually valuable and informative. On a log scale, according to a different user, 69,000 was unquestionably near to 100K, and 69,000 would be close to 1 million. We are dealing with magnitudes and significant levels of uncertainty. While it is feasible to predict the future direction of the price with greater accuracy, the future direction of the time frame is less definite. Plan B said exact orders of magnitude, and that's also an issue, to which many individuals think log charters are deceptive and don't understand how they work. One of the biggest proponents of log charts has been Raoul Pal. To describe situations where growth or reductions initially accelerate quickly and then gradually slow over time, logarithmic regression is utilized. Just yesterday, Plan B published a model that demonstrated how Bitcoin was catching up to the S&P, as it typically does, and that this year is on track to reach 54,000 in 2023. That would more than quadruple the present cost and confirm the estimate that by 2024, prices will have risen above 32,000. It's a wonderful time to be an investment with Bitcoin's steady ascent and Plan B's bullish projections for the upcoming future and bull market in crypto. What do you think of his most recent price forecasts? Will Bitcoin reach a record high in the coming years? Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.